Unraveling the mystery of the Harappan civilization. Welcome to a journey back in time, where we unlock the secrets of one of the most intriguing ancient civilizations, the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization, also known as the Indus Valley Civilization, emerged over 4,700 years ago. Its discovery in the 1920s revealed a sophisticated urban society thriving along the banks of the mighty Indus River. These cities were meticulously planned, divided into two parts: the citadel, housing the elite, and the bustling lower town, where artisans and traders plied their trade. The Harappans were master builders, crafting sturdy walls and intricate structures that have stood the test of time. But what truly set the Harappans apart was their extensive trading network, both within and beyond their borders. They exchanged goods with distant lands like Mesopotamia, showcasing their prowess as skilled merchants. Raw materials like copper, tin, gold, and precious stones were sourced from far-off regions, highlighting the Harappans' resourcefulness and ingenuity. Life in these cities was vibrant and dynamic. Leaders oversaw construction projects, scribes recorded important events, and craftsmen created exquisite artifacts. From intricate seals to beautiful pottery, the Harappans were pioneers in various crafts, leaving behind a rich legacy for future generations to uncover. Agriculture formed the backbone of Harappan society, with crops like wheat, rice, and barley fueling their prosperity. They reared livestock and hunted for food, ensuring a diverse diet for their people. Cities like Dholavira and Lothal stood as shining examples of Harappan ingenuity, with their sophisticated infrastructure and thriving economies. Yet, despite their achievements, the Harappans faced challenges. Around 3,900 years ago, a major transformation swept across their cities, leading to their eventual decline. The Harappan civilization may have vanished into the annals of history, but its legacy lives on, waiting to be explored and understood by generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into ancient civilizations. Until next time, farewell.